Okay, I've got an hour. Alright, so today's video is a remake of my video on the verb gustar because the first one that I made, something was wrong with my laptop's microphone and you couldn't hear a word of what I was saying, so I thought I'd remake it for you. And also because since I just made the indirect and direct object pronoun video, I feel like if you understand those concepts, it's a lot easier to understand gustar. So, and other verbs like it. So here I'm going to say, let's start by saying gustar is the Spanish verb for to please. Okay, so in English we have this concept of liking that does not exist in Spanish. Let me get my other markers out, even though they're too big for this work. Liking does not exist in Spanish. Okay? So there is no I like blank, blank, blank. You like. We like. These do not work because the concept of to like does not exist in Spanish. I'm going to write that here. The concept of liking things does not exist in Spanish. Let me see if I can hold that up so we can get a clear view. The concept of liking things does not exist in Spanish. Okay? What we do have is the verb to please. So, let me erase this. Actually, no, I'll just move to another board. I'm going to write Spanish communicates the English concept of people liking things with the concept of people being pleased by things. Spanish communicates the English concept of people liking things with the concept of people being pleased by things. Let me highlight a key part, being pleased, and then I'm going to underline by, and then I'm going to underline things. So as you'll see in these strategic colored underlines, if you think about it, if you think about this part of the sentence here, things is the thing, things are the things doing the pleasing. Things are the active being that is pleasing the person. Okay? So things are the subject. People are the objects. Things are the subjects, people are the objects. Okay? Very important. Again, I'm going to read this out loud. Spanish communicates the English concept of people liking things with the concept of people being pleased by things. Things are the subjects, whereas people are the objects. Whereas in English, it's the opposite way, in which the things are the objects and the people are the subjects. So, I'm going to take this back. So because we do not have the verb, we do not have a verb that equals to like. There's no verb that equals to like in Spanish. X. What we do have is a verb, gustar. That means to please. And this is going to be our substitute for anything we want to use the English verb to like with. Okay? Let's hold this up. All right. So I'm going to write some sentences in English. Let's write 4 of them. I like pizza. We like candy. They like writing. You like eating. All right, let's translate all of these to how let's see these sentences how a native Spanish speaker would see them, shall we? So I'm going to erase this board here. I think I might make that board the thumbnail. No, it's too much text. Well, still, we'll see. I should get a better eraser. Okay, let's translate these sentences to the Spanish version, shall we say. So, I like pizza becomes pizza pleases me. We like candy becomes, is there a way I can hold these boards where we can see both? No, not really. We like candy. Wait. Eso. All right. We like candy becomes candy pleases us. They like writing becomes writing pleases them. And you like eating becomes eating pleases you. Okay? This is the Spanish version of these sentences. I like pizza. Pizza pleases me. We like candy. Candy pleases us. They like writing. Writing pleases them. And you like eating. Eating pleases you. This is the Spanish version. We are going to trash the English version. And now we're going to work from our Spanish lens and translate the sentences into actual Spanish, which is easy because Spanish has this handy dandy verb that means to please. So we're doing barely any translation at all.